Thinking about getting into affiliate marketing with Spocket? The big question always comes down to the money. What can you actually earn? Understanding the commission structure is key to knowing if a program is right for you. It's not just about a single number, it's about how that number works over time. So, let's break down the Spocket affiliate commission. At its core, Spocket offers a tiered commission structure. When you first join, you're at the bronze tier, where you earn a 20% commission on every customer you refer. As you refer more people, you can climb the ladder. The silver tier gives you 25%, and if you reach the gold tier, your commission rate goes up to 30%. This is a huge incentive to keep growing your audience and your referrals. But here's where it gets really interesting. This is a recurring commission. Unlike many other programs that give you a one-time payment for a sale, with Spocket, you continue to earn a commission every month for as long as your referred customer stays subscribed to a paid plan. Imagine you refer a customer who signs up for the Pro plan, which is around $50 a month. At the bronze tier, you'd earn $10 a month from that one customer. But if you're at the gold tier, that number jumps to $15 every single month. And that's just from one referral. The real power here is in the long-term, compounding effect. Now, let's talk about the potential earnings. Spocket says you can earn up to $1,080 annually for every customer you refer. This isn't a guaranteed amount, of course, but it shows the potential of those recurring commissions, especially if you refer customers who are on higher-tier annual plans. The program also has monthly challenges that offer extra cash bonuses, which is a nice perk. All of your earnings are tracked on a custom dashboard, so you can see your clicks, signups, and commissions in real time. So, to sum it up, the Spocket affiliate program is not about a quick, one-and-done payout. It's about building a sustainable, long-term income stream through recurring commissions that grow as you move up the tiers. If you're a content creator, a blogger, or an entrepreneur with an audience interested in dropshipping and e-commerce, this commission structure is a powerful way to turn your referrals into a reliable source of passive income.